okay, I am in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, because I'm a Zimbabwean. I'm based in the capital city, Harare, Zimbabwe. I want to tell you what's happening in Zimbabwe. Everything recently today is pointing to the fact that the president and head of state, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, has recently approved the coming of Nigerian billionaire and Africa's richest man to come to Zimbabwe by the name Mr. Aliko Dangote. This man has planned to come to Zimbabwe, and the president has just approved formally or officially that no, it's fine. You can come to Zimbabwe and explore whatever you want to explore in Zimbabwe, since you are a businessman, since you are an investor, since you're a terrific entrepreneur. So Mr. Aliko Dangote is a Nigerian, is a billionaire by every sense, by every standard, by every measurement. Yes, this man is an entrepreneur by every explanation, by every definition, in every categorization or in every classification, is an entrepreneur, is an investor, is a terrific businessman. So, but in this video, I want to tell you why is he coming to Zimbabwe, Mr. Aliko Dangote? Why is he coming to Zimbabwe? What is the purpose of his visit to Zimbabwe? Why has he decided to come to Zimbabwe? Why Zimbabwe? Why not Lesotho? Why not South Africa? Why not Zambia? Why not Malawi? Why not Namibia? Why not Cameroon or Togo or Benin or Gambia or Ghana? His nearby West African countries. Why is he coming down, right down to Southern Africa in this country, Zimbabwe? Fine. According to news, according to the internet, the official news is saying that since he's a terrific entrepreneur, terrific businessman, terrific investor in Africa for so many decades, so many years in the business industry, he's coming to explore investment opportunities. He's coming to explore investment deals. Number one, the manufacturing of cement, the manufacturing of cement in Zimbabwe. Number two, the mining of coal, mining of coal, yes, or the quarry of coal in Zimbabwe, mining of coal. Reason number three, the generation of power, generation of electric power. These are the three reasons why he's coming to Zimbabwe. Simply put in that way, these are the three reasons why Mr. Aliko Dangote, this Nigerian billionaire, this Nigerian businessman, Nigerian investor, Nigerian entrepreneur, why he decided to come to Zimbabwe, him and his team, him and his delegation. Number one, just to repeat for your own information and for your good understanding. Reason number one, mining of coal. Reason number two, generation of electric power or generation of power in simple terms. Reason number three, the last one, Mr. Aliko Dangote is coming to explore the issue of cement manufacturing, manufacturing of cement, coal, and electric power generation. These are the reasons why he decided to come to Zimbabwe. So the president right now is so happy, is so elated, is so jubilant, is so celebrating, is so appreciating the coming of this powerful man, this financial grandmaster in Africa, richest man in Africa. So just to open up on you again, the president has been in constant communication, constant and direct communication with this man for a longer time since he became the president of Zimbabwe. Why was he in constant communication, or why is he in constant communication with this Nigerian billionaire, Mr. Aliko Dangote? This because when he became the president in Zimbabwe, he said, or he created a policy. He created a policy or an initiative whereby he was preaching the gospel of Zimbabwe being open for business, saying Zimbabwe is open for business, Zimbabwe is open for business, Zimbabwe is open for business. So he has been preaching this gospel of Zimbabwe opening up itself for business. And again, number two, remember, he's been preaching the gospel of Vision 2030 agenda, Vision 2030 agenda for Zimbabwe, for Zimbabweans, right? So in this token, in this foundation, in this background, that is why a man, that's why a man like Aliko Dangote of Nigeria, as an investor, as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, that's how he comes in. That's how he features in this Zimbabwean equation to come and explore investment, to come and explore the issue of business, to come and explore the issue of entrepreneurship, to come and explore the issue uh, of doing business in the country of Zimbabwe, doing entrepreneurship in the country of Zimbabwe, to undertake investment in whatever sector of the Zimbabwean economy, uh, maybe manufacturing or food processing or construction or engineering or sports industry, yes, or tourism, yes. So whatever sector of the Zimbabwean economy, Mr. Aliko Dangote will come and do his research, will come and uh, navigate his way, do his research, find out whatever he wants to find out, look into whatever he needs to look into in the spirit of investing in Zimbabwe, in the sense, in the spirit of investing in Zimbabwe, that the whole purpose, that at the end of the day, he wants to pour money in the Zimbabwean country, Zimbabwean nation, Zimbabwean economy. He wants to pour his money, he wants to invest his money, a lot of billions of dollars in Zimbabwe. So I've told you, I've opened up to you, why is he coming to Zimbabwe? Why Mr. Aliko Dangote decided to come again to Zimbabwe? In my other videos, previous videos, I told you that this is not the first time of him declaring an interest to come to Zimbabwe. In 2015, 9 or 10 years ago, in 2015, he came with his team, he came with his delegation to Zimbabwe and spent whatever amount of time that he spent in Zimbabwe and went back to Nigeria. But unfortunately, he never came back again to invest. So I've told you, or I've given you out this information in my previous videos, that no, this is not the first time that Dangote is coming to Nigeria. He came back in 2015. He came in 2015, but never returned to this country. He never came back again to this country for whatever reason that is best known to him. That's best known to him. But now, let me say, it's the second time that is officially declaring an interest to come to Zimbabwe and explore investment in this country of Zimbabwe. Right. And I've told you, why is he coming? Why is he coming to Zimbabwe? This man, Aliko Dangote of Nigeria. Just to recap on this video, why is he coming? The reasons are three. It's officially declared on the news channel, on the internet websites, even on social media platforms that are credible, that are good, and also even endorsed by the government itself, the government of Zimbabwe. Reason number one, manufacturing of cement. Reason number two, mining of coal or quarrying of coal. Reason number three, generation of power, generation of electric power for the country of Zimbabwe, for the nation of Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. Drop your comments in the comment box, right? Type your comments in the comment section, comment box. I'll come and see them out. I'll come and check them out. Let's talk further in that section. Let's talk further in that box, comment section about this issue of this great man, financial grandmaster, financial powerhouse, coming to invest his billions, coming to invest his money in Zimbabwe. What do you think? What do you say about it? What is your opinion? What is your view? What is your standpoint? What is your postulation on this issue? What do you say? What is your submission on this matter? As for me personally, I'm happy to hear about this news. I'm jubilant. I'm happy. I'm appreciating his coming. I'm celebrating at his coming. I'm happy. As a Zimbabwean, yes, I'm happy. Right. I'm signing out on this video. See you on the next one. Sharp.